How's it going? In this video I'm going to talk about the mean proportional, and I'm going to construct a square from this rectangle here of equal area. So this rectangle that I've already constructed is 10 centimeters by 5 centimeters, and the area is equal to 50 centimeters squared. So to find the mean proportional, the first thing I'm going to do is extend this baseline out. So that's that. And now, using my compass, I'm going to bring down the side length onto the baseline, the side length of the rectangle. Okay. And now I'm going to bisect this line here. So I might just label points first. So I'll label this as point A, this point here B, the point up at the top C, and I'll label this point here where I brought down the side D. Okay. So what I'm going to do next is just bisect from A to D. So I'll do this with my compass. And from this point here, I'm just gonna inscribe a semicircle, which is gonna go from the point A to the point D. So, there we go. Now I'm gonna join my points A. Well, first I'm gonna extend the line, the mean proportional line here, so to where it hits the semicircle. I'll just highlight this line actually. So this line here is the mean proportional line. Now I'm going to join this point A to the top here, and now point D. I might label this point here instead of here. I'll label this C. Okay. So to construct a square of equal area to that rectangle, next step is to bring down our length of the mean proportional line here. I'm going to bring this down to the baseline. Now, let's bring this up. So, this square that's been constructed is of equal area to the rectangle. And why that works is because these triangles are similar. So I'm just going to explain a little bit how this works. So this angle inside here is 90 degrees, and why is that? Well, it's because the angle subtended at the centre of a circle is twice the angle at the circumference. So the angle here is 180 degrees, so twice the angle here, so this has to be 90 degrees, which touches the circumference of the circle. So if we know that this is 90 degrees, let's just put in some figures just for examples. So we know that this is obviously 90 degrees and this here is 90 degrees. So let's say this point, for example, is 30 degrees, this angle. this now has to be 60 degrees because the angles in a triangle are 180 degrees. So this has to be 60 degrees. And now if this is 60 degrees, we know that this angle is 90 degrees. That point, this angle here has to be 30 degrees. And the same as here now again, this angle here has to be 60 degrees. So we know that the ratio of these angles, of these triangles, are the same. So that's why the mean proportional works, because similar triangles in the same ratio just scale down in different scales, and that's how we constructed a square of equal area to the rectangle.